If your writing looks like this, Grammarly can fix it in seconds. In this video, I'll show you almost every major Grammarly features in 3 minutes. Grammarly immediately detects grammar mistakes, spelling errors, punctuation issues, and even capitalization problems. Instead of editing line by line, you can apply suggestions with single click. Beyond grammar, Grammarly can improve readability. It rewrites awkward sentences so your writing sounds natural and professional. Grammarly also analyzes your tone, whether you're writing an email to your boss or a casual message to a friend. It helps the right communication style. Instead of manually rewriting paragraphs, Grammarly AI generates multiple versions with different writing styles. You can make the text shorter, more detailed, friendlier, or more professional in just one click. Grammarly also includes an AI assistant. It can draft emails, summarize content, brainstorm ideas, and help overcome writer's block without leaving your document. If you are working with AI generated content, Grammarly's AI detector estimates how much of the text appears to be AI written, like AI detectors. It provides an estimate rather than definitive proof. Grammarly's plagiarism checker compares your writing against online sources to help identify potential matches and encourage proper attribution. This feature is available with Grammarly Pro. The Humanizer helps make AI generated writing sounds more natural while preserving the original meaning. From Grammarly correction to AI writing, rewriting, tone analysis, plagiarism detection, and AI detection, Grammarly combines multiple tools into one platform. Which feature would you use the most? Let me know in the comments and check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching.